Welcome to Bedroom Comfort.
Here is the quick simple take before you buy. This is a simple review for anyone comparing practical products without wasting time. I am focusing on practical value, what it does, why buyers may like it, and the main thing to verify before ordering. The first thing that stands out is the feature set. Save up to 50% closet space. The double-deck design stores one shoe above the other to help free up shelf space. That can make it more useful in everyday situations. 3 adjustable height levels, adjusts to approximately 3.5, 5.7, or 7.7 inches to accommodate different shoe. This is the kind of detail that matters more than the product photos. Dual anti-slip support, 2 front stoppers and a textured platform help keep footwear in place. The smaller. For most buyers, that is where the value starts to show. The key positives are pet-friendly, easy care, and daily use. The one caution is simple: check the size, compatibility, and exact model before buying so expectations match the listing. A real customer review mentioned that it's easy to assemble, sturdy and serves as a great way to organize shoes. My simple verdict: the Petcare Find looks like a practical pick if the current price fits your budget. If this review helped, please like the video, subscribe for more honest reviews, and share it if you liked the video.